My name is Matt Brody. I'm a production manager with Nature's Bakery. We utilize Delkor equipment for our carton forming and carton closing applications due to the high speed that they're able to achieve and the efficiencies they're able to deliver. We choose Delkor because of the efficiencies and ease of doing changeovers for two reasons. The first is the fact that the changeover is integrated in the HMI and all the recipe settings are done through that, so it's very easy to get new technicians and new folks in the manufacturing environment to learn the equipment. We're also able to utilize the cartons from the tray formers for our carton closer to run empty cartons and to more effectively set up the equipment without requiring live product. This allows us to get the equipment changed over during down hours and ready for production more quickly. We had a great experience with Delkor in terms of purchasing and getting the equipment on site and delivered as fast as possible. When we arrived for the acceptance testing, the equipment was ready to roll, hit our efficiency metrics, was shipped, delivered, and was ready to run even before the line was fully commissioned.